Yeah.
They just had to wait until something was dropped. And then the closest ones would be like,
Man, it is super nice out here. What a pleasant day. Sun shining.